Tonglen, meditation of giving and receiving. Welcome to this meditation. Thanks for being here. You may practice this meditation at any time of the day. Just don't do it when you're driving or operating heavy machinery to protect yourself and others. This is a short version of this popular meditation for when you don't have much time or for when you need to take action quickly. Tonglen is perfect for when someone you know is going through a difficult situation and you'd like to help, or when you are feeling in any sort of pain and need some relief. You can also use it when you have a generous heart and want to simply send out love and peace to groups, nations, even the whole world. Find a quiet place where to sit, where you won't be disturbed, so you can focus completely on your practice. Sit comfortably with your spine straight and uplifted, although not rigid. Close your eyes softly. Set the intention to use this moment to give peace and love to those in need, opening up to receiving some of the suffering that they are experiencing, to lift some of the weight off their shoulders. And, very importantly, commit to releasing the suffering. Help transform it without holding on to it. Start deepening your breath. Bring to your mind a person or a group of people that are suffering right now, for whatever reason, emotionally, physically, or mentally. Remember that the recipient of your peace and love may also be yourself. Picture them or yourself in front of you, or simply connect with them energetically. Just thinking of them will be enough. Now, inhale deeply, and as you do so, inhale also their suffering and their struggle. For the duration of the inhalation, you are feeling what they are feeling. You are lifting off this weight from them. As you exhale slowly, send love and peace to them. Release the suffering and transform it. If picturing this isn't easy, then simply send loving thoughts and kind wishes. Continue flowing between receiving suffering and giving peace and love, as you let your breath guide you. The time for receiving is only the in-breath, and the time for giving is only the out-breath. This creates a perfect balance. Inhale their suffering and their struggle. Picture the situation they are going through. Exhale love and peace into them, wishing them happiness and harmony. See them happy. See them receiving love and prospering. Always remember to take care of yourself and respect your limits. When you are ready to close your practice, thank yourself for being here and for choosing to do this meditation today. Gently open your eyes.